Skysys was founded in 2017, focusing on AI-driven drones and robots to solve the new energy efficiency problems. He's the head of the domestic, low-altitude intelligent system supplier and low-altitude pilot enterprise.
你好，无人机。
After 7 years, Skysys has completed several rounds of financing, cooperated with many Fortune 500 companies. And our company is located in Suzhou, Shanghai, Nanjing, Hangzhou, Qinyuan, and Guangzhou. As an advocate of new energy inspection by drone, we have successfully launched China's first drone docking station, the first unmanned drone system exported overseas, and the world's first unmanned drone PV inspection product, Skysys PV Inspector, and several other firsts. We solve problems on the ground with a sky view. We are Skysys, focusing on building sky systems. On top of that, we are into new energy industry. The softwares of PV Inspector, Wind Turbine Inspector, Grid Inspector, and Universal Inspector are the result of the intelligence we created in the unmanned industry, widely used in PV, wind turbine, power grid, emergency security, and other scenarios. Today, Skysys PV Inspector software has flown drones to inspect more than 520 photovoltaic sites, covering more than 10 gigawatts of installed capacity, with more than 7 years of drone flight data. Skysys has built a service model that synergizes the operation of docking stations with new energy software, forming a rare and self-consistent product matrix in the industry, but Skysys goes beyond that. In 2024, Skysys Lantern PV robot and Grabber drone automatic two-way logistics system, creating the world's first flying PV robot. From the drone docking station, to automatic inspection drones, to PV robots, the product line goes from low-altitude intelligent inspection to low-altitude intelligent operation and maintenance. In the future, Skysys will continue to promote the in-depth combination of drones and robotics, be the daring dreamer, fearless pathfinder, and determined climber, and create a new pattern of low-altitude economy. Skysys, the new energy intelligence operation and maintenance specialist for drones.